guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Wednesday, August 7th. Today, Seth and I are going to be going to the beach because it's a nice day out today, and I haven't gone to the beach all summer because I was working at camp. But camp is done now, so now I'm going to go to the beach, and I'm really excited. You ready for the beach, babe?
Yeah.
Let's go. The door is locked, so that's why I'm chilling out here awkwardly. Perfect. All right, let's go to the beach. Wait, do you have an extra towel?
Yes.
Okay, can I borrow it?
No.
Okay, that's a yes. All right, let's go. I bet.
Whoa, we're not doing it. What's in my bed? Okay, put it down.
Woo!
Alright, lift this one up.
Babe, do you want to go sailing?
Sailing? Oh, that's cool.
It is cool.
Here, put it down.
Oh, whoa, wee! Hey, hot stuff.
Alright. How do I, can you sit up? I don't know where to go from here.
I have some sandy cheeks.
Sandy cheeks here. You lift it up a little bit. Nice.
I'm definitely gonna find sand in some crevices later. Wow, wee! I'm putting my arm under my titties because I don't want my titty to be exposed to the internet. How does it look?
There we go.
Hi!
Okay. Okay. This is weird. Don't breathe, babe. You're gonna ruin it. Okay.
Can you vlog what it looks like?
Yeah. Okay. Does your head hurt? Like, are you comfortable?
No, I'm good.
Can you lift it up a little bit, your head? There you go. Like here, keep doing
I'm
it.
good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. Can you itch my nose? A little bit over. Other side. Thank you.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Great. I have sand in my mouth.
You're ruining it. Just...
Oh, thanks! And I feel like I've lost sand in different crevices.
Close your mouth. I didn't mean that in a mean way. Okay. Okay.
I have to jump in the water.
Jump in, jump in. You didn't have to jump in.
I'm too sandy. I had to do it. It's not that bad, but it doesn't feel the greatest, you know?
Hey guys, this might actually have to happen. How do we feel?
I like them.
I actually kind of dig guys, I'm probably gonna buy these sunglasses. Hey guys, so a little life update. What? I totally
I love how you were talking about one thing and then you go, hi guys.
Oh, hey guys. Little life update. Please put those on right now.
No. Okay, fine.
Little life update. I got my wisdom teeth out 2 days ago. My face is swollen.
Livy, send nudes.
Okay. Keep a look for your DM.
Oh my god.
Ow. Okay.
That's enough working out for today.
Yeah, my face hurts.
You should get this, Livy. We got some stuff that we didn't need but we wanted, you know, that's how it always goes. Do you want to do a haul?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go do
I
a
only
haul.
got 2 things.
I got 3 things, but still, we can still do a haul. It's
Yeah.
okay. Do you want to go first?
I'll go first since I only have 2 things.
Okay.
So I got, as we already know. Yeah. With the
Cool shades, bro.
Yeah, I don't know why. I just felt the need to buy these. So yeah, I also need new sunglasses. So
And they're cheap too.
take $5, guys.
So if you break them, you can't get really mad at it.
More than likely is going to happen. But yeah, I'll figure out that. And I told Adrian I wanted a t-shirt that I can crop. And I got this one. But I
It's
don't know
so
if I'm going to
cute.
crop it because it's still super cute baggy. But I got an extra large just in case. And it says, "Good girl gone rad." She told me. I was like, wait, that's low-key. I like the saying. And the thing is cute too. Like the
very
rainbow.
cute.
I thought it was cute. So, yeah. That's all I got.
The first thing that I got is this shirt.
I was going to get the same one because we thought that was so cool.
It's so cute.
Stay weird
Stay
upside down.
weird. The next thing that I got is this cute dish thingy.
Oh, you can put scrunchies. Yes. Adriana sees this and she's like, "This is cute. I'll find something for it."
Yes.
And then we contemplate it in the car.
And then I love answering questions. I find it so fun. I especially like it when you can write it down and then you look back at it years later. And I have this one.
I thought that.
Yes.
Yeah, I love
I have
that.
this one that says my top 10. And I love to always write in it. So I got this one. It is the 2,000 questions about me. It's a bunch of questions.
Q&A.
Ooh, okay.
Adri, how do you get into the holiday spirit?
I watch Christmas movies and I watch, ooh, there's a cop. I don't watch cops to get into the holiday
Bad boys. What you gonna do? I watch cops.
And also, I like to listen to Christmas music because it gets me hyped.
Next question. In your opinion, is anything lacking from music today?
The music is all the same.
I'll agree with you. It's either written about a boy
And
people being
fucking bitches.
fun
That's
boys.
literally all it is.
or yeah. If you had to teach something, what would you teach?
Fuck boys not to be a fuck boy. My boyfriend's not a fuck boy, thank God, but other guys.
Why Livi single?
You'll find someone that
Who is
treats
your
you
favorite dancer?
right. You.
Ah, thanks.
She's good at dancing. Oh, hello. You are good at dancing.
Favorite dancer too.
I can't dance for shit, but thank you. I can do.
I didn't be teaching Adriana.
I don't know what happened to that video. Wait, should I do it? Let's do it. Okay, ready? Wait, I don't want to hit this person's car.
I can't even.
You remember the first time time you showed me and I could not do it at all.
Guys,
I
it
still
took
can't
her.
do it.
That is progress. That's progress from the time
Is it actually?
Yes.
Alright, that's the end of our haul.
Hey guys, we're on our way home from Five Below. Look how dark it is outside. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, it's like super dark because there's a storm coming towards us. We're gonna be like going right through it, I feel like, right when we get back. Wow.
It makes me nervous to drive in a storm, but when I'm at like home, just chilling in my room, it's
Right.
peaceful. But when
Yeah.
I'm driving it, I freak out.
I like storms. They're not, they're nice when
You're just chill.
just like chilling. See, it's not too bad, but it's like all over. We even struggled to see a little bit. Jeez.
On the interstate, it's very scary to
On the
drive
interstate, it's like 70, and there were cars in front of us that like splashing us with water.
It was really hard to see on the interstate.
Yeah.
But now it's not too bad, but it's still scary.
Definitely.
Guys, it's so blowy.
It's so hard to tell on camera, but it's so
This is
bad.
horrible. We're gonna have to pull over.
Yeah.
Oh! I dropped off Livy a couple minutes ago and now I am home and I have to go outside and run to the door in order to get inside my house. I am going to run really quickly out there, go inside. Oh God, I really need to pee so badly right now. Okay, ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Ah. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Livy. So Adri asked me to vlog for her to explain kind of what had happened on the way home on the drive. So basically what happened that we didn't vlog or that you guys couldn't really see or we didn't really go in depth because we were so focused on the road, the both of us, that we wouldn't get in an accident was basically coming home. We take the interstate from the city we were in, and because it's a city or two over from where we live, and it's about 70 miles per hour, and there's usually large trucks and stuff, and they were like the water was splashing up, and we were basically driving blind for like 5 seconds throughout that time. So it made us super nervous, and it was very scary, and you guys couldn't see that because you guys were facing us. So yeah, and I called my dad. I don't remember if that was in the vlog, but I called my mom and dad because I was kind of nervous. We wanted to know if we would pull over, if we would get stuck in something worse. So we didn't know if we should have kept going, pulled over. Luckily, by the time we hit our town, it was kind of died down a little bit, but it was more flooded by then. So more and more was splashing up and hitting us and making us unable to see. Adri was driving, but it was still scary too because, you know, even not driving, because it was like a second set of eyes watching the road, and I still was like struggling, like, oh my God. So it was definitely very scary. But once we hit our town, like I said, it wasn't as bad. Adriana, my parents said if she wanted to stay here for a little bit, she could, but it was pretty died down by then, so she just drove home before it would get any worse. So yeah, basically that's just a little update of kind of what we were going through. It was very scary. Glad to be home. My feet are a little bit wet. I have to take these socks off because I was wearing socks and sandals and just ran through the water. But it was a very fun day overall. Like I said, super scary, but definitely was a memorable time. My face hurts. I'm gonna go ice my face, but I will talk to you guys later. Adriana will probably take over after this, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I just wanted to pop in and say Livy is safe at her house and I'm safe at mine. It stopped raining now, so everything is perfectly fine. So I am just going to end the vlog here because the rest of the night I'm just going to watch Gossip Girl and I'm just going to chill. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.